Hello everyone, in this video what I'm going to show you is how we can make this parametric wall by using the generic adaptive model, the generic model adaptive. It's a family, we're just going to create the family, then we're just going to put it in our project and we will have this parametric wall, and we can create it every time by using the same family if we are going to do the same shape every time. And to be honest, the generic model adaptive, if you understand it well, you can create a lot of stuff, not only this wall, but it's actually, let's say it's a start for everyone. Let's go and see it in the Revit. Okay, here we are in Revit now. We just open a new project. Then we are going to massing and site, then in place, mass. Okay, now we are going to draw a reference line. We are just going to press reference line. As we can see, this is the set that we are going to draw in the reference plane. Let's draw a line like this. Okay, let's go to 3D. Then we are now in 3D. I'm just going to draw another reference line, but it's going to be a vertical one. How we can make it? We just change it. No, again set, tab to this reference to be vertical. Now we are going to go to line. From this point we are going to draw another line, reference line, like that. And now we have a reference line as a vertical. Then we are going to draw model line. Again, we need to change the reference. Let's change its set. Okay, then model line, and let's draw it like 800 from this point. Then from this point also, let's make it 800. Okay, now we are going to change it to this line. Let's draw a point from here to here, and then we need to select the last line we just made, tab only this line, then add control. It's going to create a new point, then also add control 1 2 3, let's make it 6. One minute. 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then let's just play a little bit with these points. Now what we need to do is we came here and then just select all of this. Let's go from this point, then copy, then now let's make another copy just to do the same distance, almost the same distance from here to here. Okay, that's it. This reference line is just for drawing. Now after we made all this, let's do like this. Then deselect the reference line in the bottom like this. Then create solid form, and we already have this one. But before that, let's just change this point. Let's play with this point just to create a parametric shape. And to do this, we just need to double click in the line to appear, to let this point appears, then just move it. Okay. Then again, we select all of them. Okay. Select all of them. Then shift and select this one. Then create solid form. And as we can see now, we can see like there is parametric shape in the wall. Now what we are going to do is tab. We're just going to select this surface, and we are just going to make it divided. And here, because we just make 6 point, here in the V grid we need to make it 5. It's like 5 because 1 2 3 4 5 mean we have 6 point. Okay, let's come the other side and the back side. We need to select just the back surface. Tab, this one. Then again, same thing. And also here we need to make the V grid like 5, I mean, to have 6 point. Just like that. And now what we are going to do is we need to create the family that we can make it into this project to make our shape. How we can do it? We need to select this and make the node shows the points. And also this one. And we press this one to make the node shows the point. Okay, now let's go to create component. We already upload our family. We just now need to draw it from this point to this point. Let's just select the points. What I did is we just need to go through the same number point, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the 7th actually came here, then we go down. If our family it was like 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 8 9 10 until this, we can go like that. But because our family is, the numbering is like this, we need to go same thing as the family. Okay, now as we can see we have this shape. Then let's just press this shape and make this one multiple repeat. As we can see here, we can see the shape, it's already there, but just to make it more interesting, we just can go and press this surface, and if we change this number, this 5, we don't need to change it. If we change it, everything will go wrong. But in the U grid, let's change this one to 25. See what's going to happen. Okay, because we just changed this side, we didn't change the other side, that's why it's showing like this. But maybe in some project we could use something like that, but let's make it like normal one. And then we go to the other side and just make the same number, 25. Okay, and now we can see how it looks. Same thing, we just can add more points or more grids, and it's going to give us like more. Let's go to realistic, just like that. Finish. And if we want to just unshow this massing, we just go here, show mass, and like this. This is how we create it. Thank you for watching. If you just want to know how did I make this family and the family that I put it in the project to have this shape, the generic model adaptive, it's going to be in another video. I think it's going to be here now or something like this. I hope it's not going to be more than 3 minutes or so, something like that. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I'll see you for new videos. Bye.